Hi, let's continue with the capital structure problems, session number 2. Net operating income of a firm is rupees 1 lakh. Overall capitalization rate is 10%. Outstanding debt is rupees 2 lakh with 8% as cost of debt. What is value of firm and what is equity capitalization rate under the net operating income approach? So first you write the overall capitalization rate. That's cost of capital. Cost of capital is given 0.10, 10% is 0.10. Then you want to calculate the value of the firm. So you know that what is value of firm, the formula is EBIT divided by EBIT is known as net operating income. Net operating income divided by cost of capital is known as the value of the firm. So EBIT is given here, EBIT is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh divided by 0.10, that is the cost of capital. So you will get the market value of the firm. Market value of the firm is 10 lakh rupees. And what's the value of debt? That's given in the question. 2 lakh rupees the value of debt. So 2 lakh written here. And what is actually the value of equity? So now you've got the market value of the firm and value of debt. You know that what is the formula to get the market value of firm? Market value of firm equals market value of debt plus market value of equity. So you will get the value of equity from this with the help of this formula. Market value of firm minus value of debt equals value of equity. So you got the value of equity as 8 lakh. That is 10 lakh minus 2 lakh equals 8 lakh. So now you got the value of equity. So from this you want to calculate the cost of equity. That's the question, equity capitalization rate. So cost of equity equals earnings available to equity shareholders divided by market value of equity. Earnings available to equity shareholders, is it given or not? It's given, that is 1 lakh minus what is the interest amount? Interest amount is 2 lakh into 8%. 2 lakh into 8 by 100. You will get 16,000 interest. So this 16,000 is deducting from net operating income, that is known as net income. So 1 lakh minus 16,000, that's a net income. So net income divided by market value of equity. Market value of equity, here you calculated that 8 lakh. So you will get the cost of equity as 10.5%. Okay, so this is the way you can calculate the cost of equity. So don't forget the formula for cost of equity, earnings available to equity shareholders or net income divided by market value of equity. The next question, that is Modi-Miller approach. There are two firms A and B. A has 10% of rupees 6 lakh debentures. B has no debt. EBIT of both firms are equal, rupees 1 lakh 50,000. Cost of equity of firm A is 16%. Cost of equity of firm B is 13%. Find the value of firm. So let's start with same EBIT level. EBIT level is 1 lakh 50,000. So put the amount respectively for both companies, 1 lakh 50,000. And for the company A, you can see that what's the interest amount. Let's check that. A has 10% of rupees 6 lakh debentures. That's actually given. So 6 lakh into 10 by 100, you will get 60,000 interest. That's for company A. But for company B has no debt, so there is no interest amount. That's 0. Then you will get the earnings available to equity shareholders or net income by way of deducting interest from EBIT. So 60,000 deducting from 1 lakh 50,000, you will get 90,000. Here you deduct 1 lakh 50,000. So now you got the net income. So what is cost of equity? Cost of equity is very simple. What is that? 16% is given for firm A and firm B it's 13%. That's already given directly in the question. Then from this information you can calculate the market value of equity. Market value of equity equals, what is that? 90,000 earnings available to equity shareholders, net income divided by cost of equity, 90,000 divided by 0.16, you will get this, 5,62,500. Just like that here also, what is that? 1,50,000 divided by 0.13, you will get 11,53,846, that is market value of equity for firm B. Then market value of debt for firm A, let's look into that. Market value of debt is given or not? Just check out that. That's 6 lakh rupees debentures. So that is written here. And for the firm B has no debt, so 0. Then you add both of these things together. Market value of equity plus market value of debt, you will get the value of the firm here. Here debt is not there, you add both together and you will get 11,53,846 value of firm. So now you got the value of firm for both companies. So you can calculate the overall cost of capital using a formula. What is that formula? EBIT divided by value of the firm, that is known as cost of capital. So EBIT divided by value of firm, 12.9. EBIT divided by here value of firm, that is 30. So this is the way you can calculate the cost of capital for two companies. Then the last question. A company has earnings of rupees 5 lakh, debt is borrowed at 10%, cost of equity is currently 12%, calculate value of firm and overall cost of capital through net income approach. So you know that earnings, it's already given. Earnings, that is known as EBIT. So EBIT is 5 lakh rupees. So first you deduct interest. That's the first and most important step. Debt is borrowed at 10%. So debt amount is 8 lakh rupees, assuming that it is 8 lakh rupees. So 8 lakh at 10%, it's not given in the question, but it's 8 lakh rupees. So 8 lakh at 10%, you will get 80,000 rupees interest amount. So that 80,000 rupees is deducting from this 5 lakh. So you will get the earnings for equity shareholders, 4,20,000. So this is known as net income. What is cost of equity? That's given directly, 12%. So what is market value of equity? Market value of equity equals earnings available for equity shareholders divided by cost of equity, 4,20,000 divided by 0.12. You will get 35 lakh rupees. That's market value of equity, 35 lakh rupees. And what is actually the market value of debt? Market value of debt, is it given or not? It can be calculated. Market value of debt equals interest divided by EBIT, that's known as market value of debt. So you will get 8 lakh rupees. Then you can add both of these things together. You will get 43 lakh rupees. That is actually the value of firm. So what is the overall capitalization rate or overall cost of capital? Formula is EBIT divided by value of firm. So 5 lakh divided by value of firm, you will get 11.62. This is the way you can calculate both value of firm and overall cost of capital. Thank you.